So hey guys, welcome back once again. It's me Suman, and we are doing this arcade event lab. So we have just collected a point. Level 1 we have just completed. That means we have gained 1 point, and we are inside this level 2. So let's start it. And in the level 2 we have almost completed, I think, exploring with this data looker. Now we have completed all the labs. Now we can start the second phase of this level 2, that is analyzing BigQuery data in the connected sheets. So there are 5 to 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so altogether 7 labs. Okay, 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 45 minutes, and 30 minutes, 30 minutes, and 30 minutes. Pretty simple, just only 2 labs are lengthy. So anyway, let's start with the first one. Okay, so we are ready. So let's see. First, sign in using this credential. Always use incognito window and make sure you're using Chrome browser. Okay, so just use these credentials. Once you did, click this link. Forget about this one. Yeah, you got something like this one. Make a copy, file, make a copy. Okay, so just click this file menu, and you will see option called make a copy. Just click it and leave the name in the folder and make a copy. Okay, so don't think anything, just click copy button. That's it, and we'll check our progress. Perfect, it is done. Now explore the spreadsheet. Explore button, insert the following question. Okay, explore file, download to CSV, and close the spreadsheet. Go to the file, download option, download to CSV file format, CSV, this one. Okay, it is downloaded now. Close the browser tab, close the browser tab to close the spreadsheet. Okay, perfect. And also close the original explore data. Okay, also close this one. Only these tabs, instruction sheet, remaining browser tabs are perfect. Find a CSV file download, rename it as something like this one. Okay, so copy this name, yeah, this one file. So in folder, press F2, just rename it. That's it. Now scroll down, tags 2. Okay, click this link. Okay, and now click new and upload, file upload. Click this new and file upload, and just go to download section. It is there. Open this one. Explore data, open with Google Sheet. Anyway, let's see. Please ensure that you uploaded the computer CSV file as instruction. Yeah, it is there, no? Let's check it once again. Okay, so we have uploaded from your computer drive. Alternatively, you can drag and drop CSV file from your computer. In the drive, right click. In this one, right click, open with dataset, like this way. Yeah, it is working. Import original file format. You can still able to edit in your browser. Okay, let's check this thing. Yeah, that's fine. Just took little second. Okay, now let's move to task 3. Create your spreadsheet. In this section you learn how to enter customize. Okay, just scroll down and go back to my drive tab. Yeah, this one. You can close this tab too, and click on Google app icon and select Google Sheet, and Google Sheet, this one. So just click it, Google Sheets. and then in the start new spreadsheet section, click plus icon to create a blank template. Okay, just click this one. Perfect. Now enter the header row and type, click next to cell the. Okay, do I need to do this thing? I think I can skip this thing. Okay, so I think we should can ignore this thing now. See this? This is checkbox. I've just tried, what I think we cannot skip this thing. So let's make a something spreadsheet like this one. So just fill everything, anything here as your wish. No, nothing to be worried. You can write same thing at the same column. Don't worry about the data. Just write anything. Okay. And okay, so once you make already with your name, and rename this spreadsheet to this one. Okay, so copy this name and click here. Rename is done, and enter the header row and data cell content field, press enter to cell up. Okay, that this much only talking about. And column C is okay, so this is talking about choose format. Column C, no, format, and then number currency format number, it is currency now. So currency like this one, just change it. And in insert more item, chart image, anything. Okay, no, we are not going to see the function. Okay, optionally you can skip this thing. Okay, now customizing your spreadsheet. Add row column to cell, delete this thing. Okay, move row and column, freeze. Okay, I think we can skip this thing. Let's say working with multiple sheet. At the bottom of the sheet, double click this spreadsheet one. Okay, so click this plus button like this, and when you see highlighted, rename it this one to overflow, something like this. Okay, so you have to rename this one. Okay, you have to rename this one like this, overflow, and rename it, and add a sheet at the bottom left. Click plus sheet, add another sheet, and name it as detail. Okay, again just click this one and rename this one as detail, and then copy a sheet at the bottom of the sheet. Click down arrow for the detail, click duplicate, and click duplicate. Perfect. Delete a sheet at the bottom of the sheet, click on copy of the. Okay, we have to delete this one. Okay, no problem. Just okay, let's see the progress. Fine, good. Okay, task 4, share and collab. Okay, share a file or folder with this people using same data in your spreadsheet under the right corner upper right. Okay, so this is upper right, here is share button. Perfect. Under share with the people group, enter the email address of the person you want to share with, and click editor and choose the level and click send. That's it. Okay, so I will write my name. Okay, not me, but I think I can use this one. Okay, so let's see. Perfect. Enjoy. I mean, I can write anything. Okay, so and click editor on the right top corner. Okay, so we have to use a role like editor, and comment. Okay, viewer, and click send. Okay, I'll just write a message something like hello, hello buddy, anything, click send. Pretty simple. Okay, so once it is done, share link of file, click share button, click investigate and select Qwiklab. Okay, select investigate Qwiklab. Perfect. And click view on the, okay, this one. And what do we need to change it? Okay, copy the link, done. Okay, let's see. Perfect. No need to here, just change this access one distributed to Qwiklab. That's it. And is there anything? Okay, that's it guys. So that was pretty simple. So let me end this lab, and it is done. Perfect. And let me sign out this thing. Cancel. Let me remove this thing. Perfect. Okay, so our first lab is completed from the second phase, so we can move to the second lab, that is BigQuery quick start using console. Perfect, let's start it. Okay guys, so let's start this second part, second lab, BigQuery using console. So first login it, and just login using these credentials, and let's inside the lab. What we have to do, first the step, we have to sign in using this credential, use Chrome browser, incognito window, same thing. And then we have to activate the cloud shell. Okay, so just click this button, that will activate the cloud shell. Pretty simple. And once it is active, we need to run some couple of code, Qcloud at least, like this one. Minimize this navigation menu, click continue, and just wait. Okay, so let me copy this code once again and run it. This is the first code. Perfect. Now the second one, and it is done. Now scroll down. Okay, open BigQuery. So just copy this BigQuery, search here. Yeah, it is already in the second position, so click it, BigQuery. And then we have to run this query command. So copy this one, click down button, that's it, and click dismiss. Okay, I'm not able to move this thing, why so? Okay, so just minimize this one, or cloud shell, and then we have to run this query command we just copied earlier now. So just click this plus button. Yeah, you will see the window, just paste it there, click run button, and this is done. Perfect. Now scroll down, and let's see this. Perfect. You can download, you can browse the schema. Okay, just leave this thing. Let's go for the task 3, creating a new dataset. Explore, view action. This is the explore, and this is the view action. You can create a dataset using this command. Okay, just click this create dataset button, and this is the name for the dataset, that is the dataset ID, and leave your things as a default. Click create dataset. Very simple. Okay, table names, name dataset is created there. Nice. Let's see. Perfect. Now you can move for the task for load data into the new table. Okay, BigQuery, baby name dataset, view action, create table. Okay, so this one, and go to this three dot next to this baby names, and click create table button. Okay, perfect. Create table from cloud storage, create table from Google Cloud Storage, and then select the file from GCS bucket. GCS bucket like this one. Browse GCS bucket. Okay. Yeah, just paste it there, and format type will be CSV. Format type will be CSV, and table name is something namestone 2014. So name, table name. No, so paste it there, and table type schema, edit as a text. Okay, just toggle this button and slide the button at the following. Okay, just toggle that button and copy this and paste it like this one. Perfect. Then click create table. Okay, just click this button. That's it. So our table is created, and we can check our progress. Yeah, perfect. Now we can go for the task 5, and we can have a preview. Okay, no problem. With this data set, okay, compose new query to paste into the following query editor. Okay, copy this one again, just remove this one, paste it like this, click run button. Yeah, it is done. And once it is done, we can check this thing. Yeah, good. Move to the task 7, and that's it, guys. So it was pretty simple. Just you have to run this command one by one, creating a data set, then the table, and that is done. Pretty simple, no? Okay, so you can start the third lab. Okay, this one. Yeah, this will definitely take a lot of time, I know. Okay, anyway, so let's start this lab. Okay guys, so let's start this lab, and I just started it, and just scroll down a little bit. In this tax 1 you will see this link, so just click this link and use this credential to sign in there, then you will see this window. Okay, so once you are ready with this window, you can start following this tax in this tax 1, I mean step. So first you have to click on blank, this one, so click it, and under start a new spreadsheet, connect to the BigQuery dataset using following step. Okay, good. Now scroll down, connect to a BigQuery dataset. Okay, go to the data section, data connects, and connect to BigQuery. Okay, got it. Go to data, and we have to search for data connect, and then go for this connect to BigQuery. Pretty simple. And then a new window is appeared. So if you see connect and get connected. Okay, so just click this get connected button. Perfect. There are two options, resource and ID. Okay, so select Qwiklab project ID, so second one, and public dataset. Okay, perfect. And Chicago taxi trip. Okay, so we have to go for Chicago taxi trips. Yeah, Chicago taxi trip. Yeah, this one. Just scroll down a little bit in the C section. See this one. Click it. Perfect. Select taxi trip and click connect. Okay, let's see. You need to wait a minute. Success. It is connected. Okay, we have to click get started or something like that one. Okay, perfect. So once it is ready, ensure the new sheet is selected and click create to add a new sheet. Okay, we have to move to the up little bit, yeah, or data is ready now, and we can move to the tax 3, that is formulas. Okay, the next you will look at how to use the formula to connect sheets. First, find out how many taxi companies there are in the Chicago. Okay, so in Chicago, we have to select function. Okay, where is the function type? Oh, I mean talking about these functions. No, I mean this one function. No. Okay, so this is the function and count unique. So this option count unique. Perfect. Then and edit to new sheet. Insert to new sheet. Okay, so click create. Perfect. New sheet. Ensure new sheet is selected and click create to add a new sheet. Okay, specify the company column by changing the value of your cell to row 1 and column A. Taxi trip company, value 1, value 2. Okay, so we have to change this thing. So copy this one and select like this, press equal sign and paste it there. That's it, and click apply. So formula phrasing error. Oh shit. Now it is good. Now press enter. Yeah, this is fine, I think. Okay, look like there are 164 taxis company. Okay, so just hover over there and you'll see apply option. So click this apply. 175 companies. Not 164, but there are 175. Nice. Okay, so once that is done, now use count function and 1D. So in the D section, yeah, D again, like this, press enter and click apply. That's it. Good. And like this one, to E column, this one, just click here, paste it, press enter and just wait, click apply. Yeah, good, it is done. And let's see the progress section. Nice. Now we have to do this in column F. Okay, so in column F just paste it there and press enter. Okay, this is done. Now working with the charts. Okay, try viewing the information in the chart. Turn to this. Oh shit, lot of things to do. Okay, return to the taxi trip by just clicking on the. Okay, so you have to go to this taxi trip one, no? So here, so just click it and then click on the chart button and ensure new sheet is selected. Chart button. So this one, no? So click this chart button and new sheet. Yeah, click create. Yeah, it is here now. And okay, so now insert a chart into chart type pie chart. Okay, so this is chart editor. We have to change the chart type to pie chart. Okay, so column bar Okay, this one pie chart, no? So select the first one. Perfect. And various columns of this data are listed in the right track. Payment type. Okay, so payment, yeah, there, payment type. So drag it, and here you can add. Okay, let's do this once again. Payment type, level field. Okay, payment type to level field, and fare to the value field. Okay, so there is fare, no? So insert the value field. Perfect. And click apply. Click apply. That's it. Okay, so once it is done, now value of the cash payment slightly is out of the credit payment. Under value fare, change the sum to count. Value fare, and change the sum to count like this, and click apply. Okay, this is done. And now cash transaction significantly. Okay, now next find out how mobile payments. Okay, taxi trip by just selecting it at the bottom. Okay, again we have to go for this taxi trip, and then click chart button. So again just click this chart button, and new sheet. Okay, again click the new sheet. Perfect. And click new sheet, and now click on chart type drop down and select line. Okay, so you have to go for this line option, line chart. Okay, and then drag trip start timestamp. Trip start timestamp. Trip start. Okay, trip start timestamp. I think this one, trip start timestamp. Okay, so copy this one to X level, now, and check group by option to year month. Group by option to year month. Check it year month. Perfect. And drag fare into the search field. Fare. Okay, so search fare. It is here to search field, and click apply. That's it. And now again under filter click add payment type. Under filter click add payment type. So where is payment type? Yeah, this one. So click it, payment type, and there are a bunch of options. Okay, let's see. Select showing all item. Showing all item. Showing all item. Okay, and click filter by condition, and click on filter by condition. Okay, and select text contents, and input mobile. Okay, we have to type this mobile in the value field. So copy this one, paste it like this. Perfect. Click OK, and then click apply, and it is done. Pretty simple, just little bit lengthy, no? And tax 5, do you have checkbox? Yeah, there is 6. Oh my god, there are at least 3 checkbox. Okay, so let's see. Tax 5, return to the taxi trip. Again, just click this taxi trip at the bottom, and then click pivot table. Yeah, this one, click this one, and new sheet, click create. Okay, then mm, drag strip start time step to the row. Okay, this one row, trip time start to row section. Perfect. And choose hover for group by option. Under group by, you have to choose hover as a group by option, and drag fare into value field. Okay, we need fare inside the value field. Okay, so this one, no? Okay, inside the value field, select counter for summarized by option. Count is summarized by option. Okay, and click apply. So just click this apply button. That's it. Okay, just wait. Drag time is start time to column field. Time trip start time now. Trip start time to column field. So here is the trip start time to column field, and then select day of the week under the group by option. Group by option. Group by option. Day of the week. No, day of the week, and click apply. Click apply. Just follow this instruction, guys. It will take a little time, but you won't get any error. So just follow this instruction. Now select the data range. B, do something like this. Select the data range and set. Select data range. We have to select data range B3 S26. B3, this one. Okay, so let's select this thing up to here. Just select this data from B3 to S26. So I mean all the data. So select it like this way, and we have to change the format number and number. Format number and number like this way, and click on remove decimal place to make it easier to read the number. Okay, so where is the decimal place? Increase decimal place, decrease decimal place. Okay, so what we have to do, remove decimal place button twice to make the data easy reader. Okay, so I think I have to remove this thing. Okay, it is easy now. Okay, now apply some conditional formatting. Select all your data cell by clicking on top cell first value for Sunday, and then shift clicking on the right cell and the last value Saturday. Okay, I have to, okay, again just click this Sunday, and at the corner press shift button and the last value. Yeah, it is now selected. Okay, and once it is done, last value stored. Okay, with all cells selected, format conditional formatting. Again go for the format tab and conditional formatting. Okay, good. Okay, again let me select this thing, just add this and use shift button. Let me scroll down, use shift button and again select this much. Again format, go conditional formatting. Okay, again let me do this thing and something like this and format conditional formatting. Okay, p3 s26. Okay, I think it is this first value for the Sunday, not the Sunday. Okay, and select color scale. Okay, single color scale. Okay, and select color under the preview. Choose white to green. Choose white to green. This one, white to green. Okay, this will make high value green, low value white, and click done. Okay, now choose conditional formatting window, close just by cross button. Okay, close this one. Perfect. And now observe this data in the value field. Change summarized by option to average. Value field summarized by option to average. Okay, and to something like average and click apply and let's wait a little bit here. And once it is done, go for check option. Yeah, it is done. Now let's move to task 6 and for task 6 return to taxi. Again just click this button, taxi trip, and then click extract button. Yeah, this one, just click this extract button and new sheet, click create. Yeah, good. And in the extract window, click edit under the column section. Under the column section, click this edit and there click column under the column section and select the column start trip timestamp, start trip timestamp, start start trip start timestamp, this one, and fair, then go for the fair one, and then tips. Okay, so tips and then tools, that's it, this much. And click outside of the drop down arrow box to continue. Okay, once it is done, click add under the sort. Okay, under sort to click add button. Okay, select trip start timestamp, and click on DSC. DESC, click on and click on DSC toggle between the sending and descending order. Okay, ascending and descending order, that's it. Hmm, follow ascending and descending order. Okay, on the row limit leave 2000 as it is upper limit. Okay, and click apply. Okay, so this is done, and check let's check our progress. Yeah, it's fine. Now we can move to the task 7, calculated columns. Again, we return to the taxi trip. Again, click this one, taxi trip, and click on calculated column. This one, calculated column, and click calculated column. On the right, you will see a column of the data set and function available. Enter this one into the calculated column name field. So here is a name. So paste it like this one, trip percentage, and then copy and paste in the formula field like this way, and click add, and click apply. And now you see the percentage stepping on. Okay, yeah, it is done. Let's see our progress. Perfect. So we can skip this task set, and that's it, guys. This was so pretty simple, but you need little bit concentration. Just follow the instruction. Very simple. Okay, so our finally 1 2 3 labs are completed. We can start the challenge 1, and then we can move to these 3 simple labs. Okay, so let's start this challenge 1. Okay, first let me prepare a cheat sheet for this lab. Okay, guys, so we are ready, and here is our cheat sheet which will follow for this particular challenge lab. Okay, so start it, and just scroll down, go for the task 1, click this link, and use another account, copy this username, paste it there, and here is the password, so use it. Click next, and just wait a little bit. Yeah, it is ready. Now according to your cheat sheet, open the link, click blank. Okay, so just click this blank button. Good. So once it is ready, now we have to go to the data, connect data, BigQuery, and get connected. Okay, so we are going to use BigQuery now. So go to the data section, and then data connect and BigQuery. Okay, we have to use our project ID, then public data set, and for the data set, choose a data set something like this one. Yeah, as mentioned here, public data set like this one. So copy this name, public data set, paste it here. Yeah, good. And for table, copy this name and paste it here, select it, click connect. Yeah, same thing mentioned here. Okay, so that's basically for our tax 1. Okay, now move to the tax 2. Move forward in tax 2. Okay, we have to click function. Okay, so just click this function, and then click function button, then count if and create. Okay, so we have to choose count if button. So this is the count if one, and click create button. Perfect. And change the formula with this one. Okay, so we have a new formula, so copy this formula and replace here, press enter key, and just wait, just hover here and click apply. That's it. So task 2 is completed. We can check our progress. Perfect. We can move to the task 3. Okay, for task 3, go back to the main dataset. Okay, let's go to the main dataset. Yeah, this one, and click on the chart button. Okay, so this is the chart button. So just click it and click create. Perfect. Now we have to change chart type to pie chart. Change the chart type to pie chart, and label to payment like this, payment type. So search here payment type, and the value should be fair amount. Okay, so click this value button in the search, type fair amount. Perfect. And click apply. That's it. Yeah, it is good, it is done. We can check our progress. So let's check this thing. Okay, come on. Yeah, fine. We can move to the task 4. For task 4, go back to main dataset. Okay, let's go to the main dataset, and we have to click extract. So click extract, click create. Perfect. Extract, create. That's it. Now click edit next to the column and choose individual column. Okay, so this is the column section. Just click this edit button, choose this individual column, and select these columns. Okay, this column must be mentioned in the text for, yeah, this one. Okay, so copy this name one by one, and search here. Perfect. Second column name is like this one. Again, remove this one, paste it new one. This is the second one. Now the third one. Okay, let me copy it clearly, and this is the third one, and the last fourth one. Perfect. We have added this one, and once we have added, click add next to sort. Okay, we have to do some more work, so we have to click add button next to the sort one. So click add, and search for trip distance. Okay, search for trip distance, click it, and make it descending order. Okay, so this is ascending, now it is descending, and change the row limit to 10,000. Change the row limit to 10,000, and then click apply. Okay, let's click this apply button and just wait a little bit. Okay, we need to wait here. Yeah, it is done. Let's see task 4. Perfect. Now we can move to the task 5. Okay, for task 5, go back to main dataset. Again, we have to go to the main dataset, and then calculated column. Yeah, this one. Click this one. We have to type name something like this. I'll write my name, and okay, so here is formula 2. So write the formula here like this way, and then click add, and then click apply, and it is done. Now let's check the progress. That's it, guys. So congratulations, we have completed this lab so quickly. No, it's very quick. So our the first one and the second one challenge lab is completed, so we can start this 1, 2 and 3 more lab quickly. So let's start this one. Okay, let me sign out this one.